You know, I really feel like this recipe is going to give our show some culture.
Of the day, now where do I begin?
Welcome to Katzenjammer, the show that's loud and bright and has our directors questioning just how well suited it is to our demographic of hungover people. Today we're going to be doing something a little different to what we've done on the show so far. We're going to be moving away from our warm cooked and savoury stuff, and we're going to be cooking something cold and sweet.
Is it me?
Sure, but no, we're going to be making a parfait.
Ooh, now that sounds good. Let's cut to some sexy food porn shots.
Alright, let's get this show on the road.
The ingredients we're going to need today are coconut yogurt or any other dairy-free yogurt, chocolate biscuits, you can grab your favourite, doesn't have to be healthy. Today we're using Choc Ripple because they're mine, and then we have strawberries and bananas.
So first things first, you're going to want to crush your biscuit. You're going to need to crush your biscuits. If you're hungover, you're probably not going to want to do this in a food processor, so you can just do it by hand. Get your biscuits and put them in Glad wrap or a Ziploc bag, and then crush them with something heavy. We have a mallet.
Smashing. So now that that's all done, we're going to cut up our strawberries and our bananas. Strawberries are not only delicious, but a fantastic source of vitamins. And bananas, as we all know, are a great source of potassium, which are going to restore some electrolytes that you lost while drinking.
And chances are you lost quite a few. So all we have to do now is just layer everything, layer the yogurts, biscuits, strawberries and bananas. So let's get assembling.
This looks divine, and I'm so ready to get it into my soul. But first, let's bring in Lachlan.
Alright, so Lachlan, today we've made for you a delicious layered parfait. Everybody loves parfaits. That's filled with all the best things that you can have after a big night on the town.
You know the drill. Dig in, let us know how you feel about it. Out of 5 for taste and out of 5 for how you think it's going to cure your hangover.
Fun fact, did you know that there are over a dozen acceptable ways to spell yogurt?
That's a lot of yogurt.
You'll hurt me when you say yogurt.
That's a really nice parfait. I'm digging it. Desserts make me feel really nice, and that's a 4 out of 5 across the board. This is the last episode, isn't it?
Yep.
Wow. I'm gonna miss this. You guys, you've done a lot for me, and I'm a changed man now. After all this, I don't think I ever need to drink again. you've changed me.
Well, that's it. A nice parfait for your big night out.
And as always, thank you for joining us on Katzenjammer. And remember,
Stay boozy!
Fuck, I'd kill for a beer right now.
You're the roast of my beef, the mash to my potato, the extra cheese on my burrito. You're the cream of the cream on my sweet little thing. You're the dish of the day, I wanna dig right in. Pumpkin pie, ice cream, chocolate brownie, malt milkshake, fried chicken, coated peanuts, fish jam, tin spam, taco pizza, mash and ham, meatloaf, minestrone in a can, collard green and aubergines, that's harco and runner beans.
Welcome to Katzenjammer, the show that's loud and bright and has our directors questioning just how suited it is to our target demographic of hungover people.